I've been partnering with Leupold for many years. They make the best optics out there, made in America. And we've been able to partner with Cabela's for this event, bringing these shooters in from across America, trying to teach them a little bit about tactical shooting, but also using the Leupold products as that stepping stone to get us where we want to go. When you come out here on a Cabela's experience, you're going to have an experience that you never thought possible. You'll step up on the line, you'll try to engage some targets that are at 10 yards away, you'll have a little difficulty, and before you know it, you're shooting 100 yards with your pistol.
Do 1.75 left. We're at 1,000 yards, it's a long shot. Yeah! Woo! Got it!
Been a good day. Beautiful out here today. They're helping everybody to kind of find that position and shoot a lot better.
This is about my 12th experience. I think the favorite part is the other hunters and fishermen and outdoorsmen that you meet and get this fellowship with. This is a great opportunity for people to come to learn about a scope that probably most of us don't really understand, all of the complexities of building one, as well as how to actually use the scope in a field situation.
I like the way that the companies are able to show us how the items are built.
Quite frankly, the neatest place in the whole plant was the reliability testing, what they put their scopes through to make sure that they will stand up to that lifetime warranty that Leupold offers.
You know, we got to see the optics all made and put together and engineered the other day, and it's really cool now that we can use them and see how that all comes together.
These events are something, to my knowledge, that you can't find anywhere else. You know, Cabela's has always treated me well, and they continue to treat me well and give me great experiences.
Each one's special in its own way.
As long as I have health, I'll probably go 1 or 2 a year.
And my advice would be to, if you see something you want to do, sign up for it right away.